If your 2017 GMC Sierra is blowing warm air, you are not alone. This model year has a few very specific failure points. The vast majority of AC issues on this truck stem from a known defect in the factory-installed condenser unit. Before you start replacing parts, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to confirm the exact source of the leak. Start with a visual check for oil spots on the condenser, then verify that your compressor clutch is actually engaging. The 2017 models specifically suffer from cracked welds on the condenser brackets that allow refrigerant to escape slowly. If the condenser is dry, check the blend door actuator inside the dash, which can get stuck on the hot setting. DIYers can save money, but keep in mind that the newer R1234 if refrigerant requires specialized recovery equipment. Expect to pay between $700 and $1,100 depending on which component has failed. If you replace the condenser yourself, you must still visit a shop to have the system professionally vacuumed and recharged. Make sure your tools are compatible with the newer refrigerant standards used in the 2017 Sierra. Avoid using chemical stop leak products, as they often cause more damage to the Sierra's sensitive internal valves. Confirm that condenser leak first, and you'll be back to cold air in no time. See you in the next one.